from the International Bar Association. Mark, a very good afternoon to you. Thank you for joining us on News Today.
You're welcome. It's good to be with you.
Look, Mark, what does this ruling mean for the principle of universal jurisdiction for international crimes now?
Well, I think it's a very important decision by the court. Particularly, it reinforces this principle that if a state is a party to the Rome Statute, the statute of the International Criminal Court, then that really trumps any other customary international law principle. And under the Rome Statute, there is no recognized immunity for a sitting head of state. And therefore, the decision of the court in South Africa essentially said that South Africa has to abide by its obligations to the International Criminal Court and the statute, and therefore must arrest any individual who has been indicted by the court and who is on the territory of South Africa. And that is a very important decision.
Look, Mark, are we likely to see now the ICC using this case in future for countries refusing to cooperate?
Well, I've always felt that South Africa plays such an important role, not just in the continent, but internationally. And so I think this will be a very important, and I hope precedent-setting case that encourages other countries, not only in Africa, but around the world, to abide by this very important principle that those who have committed these types of atrocities need to be brought to justice. And certainly if they've been indicted by the International Criminal Court, all states should assist in ensuring that the person is brought to The Hague. And so I think, again, South Africa's position on it, the court's position, will resonate worldwide.
Look, Mark, just to pick your brain there before I let you go very quickly, if South Africa now decides to withdraw from the ICC, what would this do to South Africa's image, especially of abiding by laws?
Yes, I hope of all countries that are looking to or thinking about withdrawing from the ICC, I think it would be absolutely devastating, not only for the court, but also for the image of South Africa. South Africa is a beacon of democracy and of the rule of law. And countries far and wide continue to look at South Africa as a leader. And I'm hoping that the government embraces that perception and stays with the ICC and on the side of justice.
Thank you so much for that update. That was Mark Ellis, an international law expert.